This is Prizm Fast Break plus Prizm Choice dual job. Let's do this thing. Here we go. Just seeing what everyone's. Oh, easy, Brad. We are going to pull up this break listing. Make sure all the teams are there. Randomize the list 5 times. Ignore my tab that says pictures of Claire Holtz. Ignore that. 5 times. Here we go. Fast break plus choice. Fast choices. 5 times. Just like Tabby's stinking out the joint. 1. So bad, Tabby. 2. You could at least close the door. Laker. 3. 4. For stop you stink from coming in. Bathroom door. This door. 5 times. The Bucks are on top. The Clippers are on the bottom. I don't know how much more I need to do. 5 times. You just completely wiped me out. You just completely wiped me out, mate. Here we go. Fast break plus choice. I can see why you don't do that when everyone else is around. You thought I wouldn't notice. You thought Blake's sinuses are that bad that you ain't going to notice. You've single-handedly cured them, Tabby. My septum undeviated and then deviated itself the other way just to get away from the smell. Here we go. Daniel House, Ish Smith, Daniel Aturu. A Damian Lillard Fireworks and Aaron Gordon. I think the ceiling's melting. Obi Toppin. Blue, Daniel Thies for the Celtics. That is numbered to 175. Green and Weta. What? I don't know what they put on the burritos out in Geelong. Rookie Precious. Darius Baisley. Thaddeus Young. Barnes. CJ McCollum. Silver, Mikal Bridges. That's the silver for this one. Josh Jackson, Darius Baisley. Devin Vassell. Larry Bird Fearless and Draymond Green. THJ. Nico Mannion Rookie. Tyler Hero and Kemba Walker. Rookie Cash Winston and James Harden. Throwback and Goran Dragic. Nurkic, Caleb Martin. Pink, Troy Brown Jr. Good evening, Cody. How are you? That is number to 50, Dirk and Jimmy Butler. So the Troy Brown Jr. Where it's at. Reggie Bullock, Bryn Forbes. Nice, Rui Hachimura blue. That's number to 175. Josh Richardson, Shabazz Napier. Trey Jones Jr. Joe Engels, Bam Adebayo. Dave Mack, how is rugby on the weekend? You're inspiring me to go play a sport. I don't know which one yet. Denny and Luke Kennard. Boo. Dante. Rocco. Auto for the Lakers of Tyronn Lue. Fireworks BI, Dwayne Wade. Not doing too much at the moment. We got to get something good soon, hopefully. Millsy, Rui. Red, Ricky Rubio to 125. DeJounte Murray and Giannis. Sore. Yeah. I think I miss being sore. Oh, LaMelo Ball. Alternate art. The variation prism. That's very nice. Jeez, it already smells better down here. Downtown Jason Tatum and Al Horford. Oh, boy. That's a big boy. Congrats, Hornies. We were due for one. We've had literally every other player. Bismack Biombo. My throat's getting worse. Red, Terrence Ross. Number to 125, Emmanuel Moutier, Derek Favors. Why do you do this while no one else is around? Kenya Martin Jr. Dorian Finney-Smith, old DFS. Yeah, I really should. Oh, yes, I will absolutely be in store Monday, Tuesday. Wait, when? Alexei Pogozeski, Andre Drummond, Tyus Jones, and Nemanja Bjelica. Try for Monday because Tuesday next week we're going to have no power. And nice for the Clippers, Kawhi Leonard. Yeah, try for Tuesday, Larry Nance. I'm taking the morning off Monday. I'll be here after 2:30. And I don't...
Tuesday.
Sorry, what did I say?
Monday.
Yeah, so come Monday, no one will be here Tuesday. Or will people be here? It'll just be annoying. Not that you'll be annoying, but just operating everything will be annoying. Come Monday. Alrighty, that's box one then. Yep, easy. I'll take the morning off. No lunch break on Tuesday next week, which, you know, we're building a bit early for that, but here we go, Tabby. We need better. Doesn't look like there's any big boys. Silver, Thomas Bryant. Silver, Nemanja Bjelica. Auto, fuck me dead. Markel Fultz, Red Wave Auto. Ursan Ilyasova, blue-green. Darius Bazey, blue-green. Rodney Hood, blue-yellow-green. PJ Washington, blue. And an Eric Gordon, red. 1/49 on the PJ Washington. The red is 31/88. And unfortunately, we cannot get a win